Alright, we're gonna make a video on making one of these. This is a Raspberry Pi which I use to program BIOS chips, and there's one in his mouth at the moment. And I'm gonna make another one which I'll keep for spare because I keep killing these. I accidentally put these on the motherboards and short some things out. I already killed one, I don't want to kill another one. If I do, I'll have a backup. So this video is not really organized, so we'll go as we go. So you need a bunch of these kind of wires. We need to cut some of them. You need 8 of them altogether, so because there's 8 pins on the BIOS chip, yeah. And you'll need a micro SD card. Of course, you need a Type C in this model, Type C charger cable, and I'm going to output to a HDMI. Put that on the next port. And we're going to download the Raspberry Pi OS, and we're going to use Flashrom software. So we're going to go from beginning. That's a brand new unit I purchased. This is the 2 GB, plenty of RAM for this purpose. So we're going to start from beginning. So I've got here a Windows PC which will help us. I've got here a card reader which I'll use a 32 gig micro SD. I have no idea what's on it, but we'll wipe it. It's a brand new one from a very good supplier. Okay, nice, smells brand new, nice. Okay, so let's get on it with it. So I'm on Raspberry Pi website. I'll put the HDMI screen on, we'll get the software ready. Okay, so haven't done this for a while, so let's see, let's download. Okay, alright, I'll put in the memory card into this computer at the same time. Okay, I'll put my memory card in. Let's run that. Okay. Now, I recommend you watch the whole video before you start because, as I said, this is not an organized video. I'm just giving it a go on the fly. Okay. Okay, let's just do that first. Choose storage here. Right, so we're just gonna erase this memory card. Okay. Alright, so now what we're gonna do, Raspberry Pi OS, choose storage there and right. Okay. Okay, so it should be downloading something. Yep. Yes! 1 second. Where are you? Outside? Yes. Oh, okay. Wait. Yeah. Yeah, this is 3 pages. Okay. How's that going? Okay. We'll have a banana at the same time. While that's going on, I think I won't touch it. We'll do the wiring. Did I mention? Yeah, you'll need a clip like this. Okay. We don't need that. So we need 8 of them. On my one, the power rail, I've used the red one, so we need 4 red. You can choose any color if you want, so it's up to you. Yeah, so 1, 2, 3, 4. No, actually, I think 2 should be fine because we're going to cut. Yeah. So anyway, just put 2 on the side. I'll pack up later. And the rest doesn't really matter. I'm just going to stick to the same colors because sometimes I take them out and I take photos how they look like. Put it back. Alright. Done. So we've got 1 blue, 2 green, 1 yellow, 2 red. Okay, so just looking at this. So in terms of, so the green ones, you don't need to do any cutting. So green ones, basically pins are the same, double check this way. Do the green one first. Green, so basically 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11. So from the end, 11th. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11, and 12. Okay. So from the left it looks like 2, 4, 6, 8 empty slots. Double check. 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, 8, yeah, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, sorry. 9 empty slots, okay. Yeah, so that should be it. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 empty slots and then 2 green. And then we got the blue after the greens. And then we got the yellow on the blue. There we go. Same side as the blue. Okay, you can't go wrong. Very simple. And we need black. We need black. Black is going to be our ground. So like I said, you can choose whatever color you want. Okay. Now these guys can actually go onto the jump, onto this guy, the clip. So black, yellow. I'll show you shortly. So basically, black and yellow. Now we need to have the blue to go into this guy, and then now the greens are important. So there's green next to blue. Green next to blue is the green next to blue is okay, so the green that's far away from the blue, it's gonna go here. There we go. Okay, and the remaining green simply goes next to yellow. So just to recap. So we got the one side, we got the black to black, and then green. This one goes to the green next to the blue on our board, and then the next green goes to this side, green, and the blue, obviously blue. Okay. Now the next one is easy, is the red. Now the red, what we need to do is, so we need to cut this in half. And like I said, watch the whole video first before doing what I'm doing, and then we're going to cut this one too in half. So we're only going to have one power rail come out of the Raspberry Pi, which is going to supply all the remaining 3 pins. Okay, now we need to trim all of them. Ouchie. And last one. That's still writing and downloading. Okay. Okay. So what we're going to do, simply solder them all together, whatever way you like to do, just do it. Oh yeah, so I'm just putting them all together. I'm just going to solder them. Okay. You can solder however way you like. I'm going to put some flux. Far rail, okay. And okay. Just make sure they don't break. Okay. Happy days. Okay, looks like writing is still going. Might finish right on time. Okay, so simply put, remaining empty slots on your clip. Many people don't recommend clips, but look, you can take these out and use it in those, you know, adapters, like these adapters, whatever. Just get the right settings. So what we need to do, remaining ones, so that's complete. So one side we got green, blue, red, red, yellow, green, red, black. Okay, and now the remaining red single one will simply go into the 3-volt rail. Okay, that's it. We're ready to go. Now I've got a message on the computer that it is ready. Let's have a look. It says we're good to go. You can now remove. Okay. because it's got a Linux file system, it's wanting us to format it. Okay, now this memory card in this computer is here. Let's take it out, slide it in there. Voila, we're done. Of course, we're gonna have to load Flashrom software, which shouldn't be hard, I think, if I remember. And just before we go further, I'll just explain those pins. So it will all make sense. If something's not right, I'll just fix it here quickly. Come on. Yeah. Okay, so I use these USBs to store the dumps that I record. So that's going to be my mini HDMI to HDMI. Okay, that fits nicely. I think that's it from here. Okay, just quickly, and then we'll continue on. Okay, here we go. Okay, so what we've done here, the red one is 3 volt, 3.3 volts, and then we got here MOSI. MOSI means data in, data out. So remember, we got 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9 empty slots, and then the 2 greens, and then we got clock. So blue is the clock, and opposite clock we got the CE. That's usually cable select or enable or write protect, that one there. And obviously the last one is ground, and you can use ground, I believe, many places. You can put it right next to clock if you need to, doesn't really matter. There are many grounds you can pick. Okay, very simple. I just leave it there, no reason at all. Okay, alright, that explains that. So let's go ahead and turn this baby on and see what happens. See if we can get it right the first go. Yeah, I'll need a BIOS chip. Now I can go ahead and try to read one off the board. I'm just going to use this guy. There's one already here. Now the way to put it, how can I explain? There's usually a dot. I'll show you on the microscope better. Alright, here we go, very quick. Okay. Okay. So this is a typical BIOS chip. Yeah, okay. So what you need to know is the orientation is very important. You can kill the chip. Okay. So pin number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But the way only thing you need to remember is if the dot is here, That's pin number 1. Number 4 is always ground. So from your pin, your connector is gonna come to here for black pin. So I'll keep that orientation same on the microscope. I'll switch the camera. Here we go. Okay. So notice the black wire there. See that black wire? That's pin number 4. 3, 2, 1. Okay? Simple. And yellow was cable select enable. Yeah. Okay. So I'm just going to bring that chip exactly the same way. And I'm just going to grab onto it. There we go. Chip is in there. Yum, yum, yum. Okay. If you put it the wrong way, you'll notice the Raspberry Pi will have power issues or turn off because you're basically grounding the 3.3 volt. Yeah, you'll damage something. That's pretty much it here. How to put the chip in. So black pin, pin number 4. Yellow is where the dot is. Alright, now let's plug this in now. Always connect the HDMI screen before you connect power. Sometimes you won't boot. So I'm going to have a tiny screen, hopefully I can see what we're doing, because OBS screen is quite far. I'm going to use a USB keyboard and mouse. I've got the keyboard. Keyboard is here. Okay, so oh yeah, so we need to hook this up to our network because we're gonna have to do the first time setup. I think we may need Flashrom software to be installed, and I don't remember how I installed it before, so bear with me. We'll give it a go. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Power in. Cool. Here we go. More banana. Something's happening. Still loading. Welcome, desktop. Okay, let's go. come on. Okay. This is all optional, you can skip or whatever. Next. Let's go Bluetooth. Yeah, I'm gonna turn it off. Save resources. Raspberry, okay. I'm gonna make my own password. Yeah, I'm alright with that. Oh, it's got a Wi-Fi chip. Oh, bloody hell, nice. Okay, I'm still gonna skip it. Yeah, I do recommend that because I'm using network cable. And while that's going on, let's see if Flashrom is already in there. Okay. Oh, Flashrom is already in there, nice. Control Shift plus plus plus. Okay, so that's the version 5.10.17. Maybe there's some updates while that's going on. So the command that we use to detect our chip, I'm just looking online, Linux underscore SPI dev equals to SPI dev 0.0 SPI speed okay. All right. No problem. Just double check my chip is in there properly. Oh shit. I'm just checking the physical chip, making sure it's in there nicely. Okay, let me try that command again. Okay, he's not found. Okay. Okay. Let me double check. Okay. Okay, dev equals to SPI dev equals to dev. Okay, there we go. Okay. I'm an idiot. That should be an equal. So my keyboard is the wrong keyboard. Shit. Which one is equals to my keyboard? Okay, sorry, I don't have the right keyboard. Okay, here we go. All right, I'm going to shoot something. What's going on? SPI. Yep, Linux SPI. Dev equals SPI dev 0.0 Okay, anyway, we'll come back shortly. How's that going? That's definitely correct. Okay. No such device, okay? Nothing. Okay, we're still going. I see, there's something about Raspberry config. Okay, Raspberry. Alright, we need to enable SPI. That's the issue? Okay. Okay. So where the hell do I find that? Okay. System options. Maybe interface. Okay. Yes. Okay, that's our problem. Let's try this again. LS dev SPI. Maybe I need to reboot. Okay. Just double check that it's enabled one more time. Okay. Alright, we probably need to reboot. Which was a bad idea to run this. Okay. Was it in its 6th for reboot? Can't remember. Yeah, okay. No, just on a 4th reboot. Okay. Okay, what do I do here? Okay, error, firmware not found. I think I screwed it up. Okay. Let's see what happens. Okay, I think I've screwed it up. Okay, just gonna turn it off, turn it back on. Maybe I shouldn't do the update and do a reboot. Okay. Still the same. Alright, I have screwed this up, sorry. Just gonna go back to computer, do the Flashrom again. That's stupid. Okay, sorry. Alright, I'm just gonna run that again. Remind me later. And I'm gonna do the whole process again. Memory card inside. Erase. Memory card not getting detected now. Okay, there we go. Okay, let's erase. And let's go ahead. Okay. See if it's going to download again. Okay, looks like it's not. Okay, that's good, so it should be quicker now. Another scam. Hello. But Skype is pretty good. It picks up even the accent. People talking. Nice. Okay. Oh, by the way, what's the battery like? 1 minute, it's fully charged. This is a Toshiba. Okay. This should have been a very quick video, unfortunately. Okay. It's alright, let's get this going. At least we'll have done this video, we don't need to do it anymore. Maybe we can cancel verify. Okay. We can remove. Let's go ahead. Right. Sorry, little guy. Okay. Made a mess of you. Okay. Plug you back in. HDMI. Everything plugged in. Go. This time I'm not going to do the update. Probably know why. So I'll disconnect the network cable as well. I don't need it anymore. Okay. By the way, what's the current version? Flashrom version. One point two. Okay. Latest release 1.2. Here they added the new chips MX, GD. These are found in the some of Lenovo, some of Acer, sometimes in Dell. Okay, let's get straight into this. Sudo rasp config. Come on, what was the command? Raspi config. Okay, interface options. SPI. Yes. Yes. Finish. Okay, reboot. It's nice and quick, isn't it? Okay, Flashrom. Okay. So the command we needed to run was, so what version is that on Linux? Maybe Shift V. Okay, here we go. I've still got the chip in there. So what we do, P Linux underscore SPI device is dev SPI dev 0.0 SPI speed. Look at that. Nice. So long time I've been making this mistake where I use 1000 as the speed, and later on I realized I can change that to a nice number like 16,000 and still be able to read that 8 megabyte chip. So to read it, so we're going to go read, meaning dump it from the chip. So we'll call this sample.bin. That's the name it's going to create on our flash in our Raspberry Pi. As you can see, now it's reading the chip. That's an 8 megabyte. And now it's important to verify. Very, very important. And if you're concerned, I recommend taking 2 backups sometimes. If you're working on a board you're repairing and you're going to flash with something else, always have a 2 copy if you can. Okay. Now if you want to write this dump that you've saved, you just choose W and it will now write onto that chip. So it will read it, erase it. It says it's the same as before. Okay, so we can't make a mess of it, right? Oh, by the way, is there a command to erase? I don't know, I'm just trying something here. Oh yeah, E. So we can say E to erase the chip. There we go. So what this does, it puts zeros all the way across. Yeah, so one thing I'd like to in the future do is this guy here, ITE device, but I don't know how to do it yet. That's an interesting one. Yeah, I don't know the other ones. Okay, it's taken quite a while, so I'm just gonna kill it because it's already corrupt in a way. So I'm gonna write with this guy. It shouldn't say identical anymore. It should actually start writing the data. Done. Beautiful. Done. There we go. And if you were to do it at the slower speed, it's crazy to do, but that's the default. It will take forever. But you get the idea now. So that all works. So in this model of mine, I'm actually going to go ahead do the updates, because it's rarely I ever do any updates on these because they just work. But I'm going to update it anyway, see if there is any new versions of software maybe that's applicable. Okay, so remember we can go down. Yep. Use US keyboard, yes please, okay. Okay, so that's about it. You guys get the idea. This is gonna take forever. I think that should already be okay with this. Okay, sweet. Alright, so that's it. Thanks for watching, and this has been a good video for me as well. I haven't done this in ages, and I don't have any video of it, but now I do. Yeah, that's a complete new one, and my other one is still here. And by the way, about these clips, I'll explain something very quick. You can buy these clips off AliExpress. Yeah, like these. Like I believe I bought the wrong one. This is the wrong one. The best clips I found are these guys here. They're not cheap. They're very expensive. They're from Pomona. Yeah, Pomona. So Pomona. This is from DigiKey. I paid crazy price, but it's worth it. The reason why many people have problem, including me sometimes, is when you try to use the clip on the board, it doesn't actually work well. If you go to DigiKey website, Pomona is the vendor. Clip. Yeah, test clips. Like here. Yeah. So this is what I had bought before. This is crazy amount. You're like, why would you buy this amount? Let me see if I've got the box. Oh, here it is. Yeah, so there we go. Is that the one? 55. Yeah, there we go. Memory serves me well. There we go. Yeah, so this is really high-end professional level. Not that I've ever used any of these. Just that guy. But you can find on AliExpress similar ones. But make sure if you do buy from a microscope, if you do buy, try and buy the one that. So this is the wrong one. It doesn't fit properly. It's really ugly. Maybe I bought the wrong one. So spacing is not good. Yeah, and the clips have to be really nice and sturdy and strong. But if you buy something like this, it will serve you a long time. Yeah, the price is a bit crazy, but you get what you pay for. That's that. Alright, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to support this channel.